Welcome to JV NEET classes. Today's topic is angular momentum. In previous lecture we have studied torque. So today's topic is angular momentum. What is angular momentum? Angular momentum is r cross p, where r is radius and p is linear momentum. Okay. Light green here represent the direction of angular momentum and dark green here represent linear momentum direction. And r is radius which is denoted by red arrow. Okay. And this ball is here represent our object which is moving. Okay, also we know the direction of torque and angular momentum is given by right hand thumb rule. Okay, and the direction of torque and angular momentum is same. Okay, here thumb represent the direction of torque and angular momentum. Okay, and the curl of finger represent what? The direction of rotation. Okay, so thank you for watching.